In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your voice and then add it to a video. I'm going to show you using free tools, and we're even going to do it online without having to download anything. So what we essentially need for this is we need a video editor and we need a way to record our voice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voice first, then we can put the voice recording onto the video using a free video editor. So if you go to Google first and type in voice recorder, you can use any of these free online ones. The one that I usually use though is this one here, online voice recorder. If we click on it, we then click on settings. It will then ask you for permission to use your microphone, which you just need to approve. Then you can go to the settings and make sure you've got the correct microphone recording. I'm just going to use my webcam mic so it doesn't interfere with this recording. Then you can go ahead and start recording. And as you can see here, when you start speaking, it should be recording. Now you can open up your video and perhaps click play and then record your audio. So just imagine this is me recording the audio, which I'm going to add to the video. So once you've finished recording your audio, you then go back to this web page and you can then click stop. What you can also do with this tool is cut out the starting point. So cut out any intro or mistakes at the start, and then you can cut out the end as well. So you've only got the audio relevant to the video that you just watched. You can then click save, and it will then download that video as an MP3 format. Now what we need to do is get this MP3 audio onto our video. Now if you've got any editing software downloaded like CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, you can do it in that. If you just want to do it online on a free one, you can just go ahead and search for Canva. So we can go to canva.com, and here you can go ahead and create a free account. It will ask you to sign up and create a free account. Once you've done that, you can then go to create, click on upload, click upload files, and here you can find your video. So mine is going to be on the desktop. It's just an MP4 video that we just watched. Then click add to uploads. Then we just need to click on it and then go to open in editor in the top right hand corner. So now you've got it open, you need to go to uploads on the left here, then go upload files. And what we need to do is upload the audio that we just recorded. So we can then go to the downloads folder, and here you'll see the audio you just downloaded, then click open, and that will open in Canva. So you'll be able to find it by going to uploads, audio, and you'll see it here. You can then drag it on, and it will drag it onto the timeline, and it should then be under your video. You can make additional changes and crops to that audio and move it so it's in the right place on the video. Once you've done that and everything is good, if you go to share in the top right hand corner, you can click on download, then you can download it. It is limited to 1080p HD. For most of you, that will be enough though. Click on download, and there you go. That will then be downloaded and it will go into your downloads folder. You can then open it, and here is the audio. One thing to note, this will still include the background audio of your clip. So it's probably best to click on the clip first. Then you can go to volume and just put this all the way down to 0. This will remove the volume on the original clip and only keep the background audio. Your audio. So just imagine this is me recording the audio. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching.